In today's video, we'll learn how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. This feature helps you move money from one account to another while keeping your records accurate and organized. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the New or Create button near the top of the screen and click on it. A menu will appear with different transaction options. From that list, select Transfer to begin the process. You'll now see the transfer form. Start by choosing the account you want to transfer money from. This is the account where the funds will be deducted, such as a checking or savings account. Next, select the account you want to transfer money to. This is the account that will receive the funds. Make sure both accounts are selected correctly so the transaction is recorded properly. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be careful to type the correct number to avoid errors in your financial records. Then choose the date of the transfer. This should match the actual date of the transaction so your reports stay accurate. You can also add a short memo or description if you want to include notes about the transfer. This step is optional but can be helpful for tracking purposes later. Once everything is filled out, review the details to make sure they are correct. Then click Save and New or Save and Close to complete the transfer. Using the transfer feature is the easiest way to move funds between accounts without creating complicated entries, and it helps keep your bookkeeping clean and simple. And that's how you transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.